today I am going to put my snake plants that I propagated into my other plant that I bought. But yeah, I bought these at one of the local nurseries here. And I got a new one coming up here. But these I propagated from one of the properties around here, a friend of mine. So I just cut that and I let it dry for a little bit, and now I got roots. They've been in the water for about a month and a half, so I think it's time. So I'm just gonna put them in here with this guy just to make my plant a little fuller. But that's that one. That's a month in water. And then I have this one. I think the roots are good enough for it to go in the ground and the dirt now. So I'm gonna put these in with my other plants. Right here so I can get in there. I just want my plant to look a little fuller. Roots down in there. And this is just an easy way to regrow houseplants from cuttings. I just want to see if it would do it. It did pretty good. So I'm putting these in here. We'll check back the progress of our snake plants. Make sure it's still growing properly. Yeah, I'm just gonna cover those roots real good. Cover them with this other one. Don't keep it too tight. I'm gonna cover those roots though. And there we go.
And this guy.
And this guy's a brand new guy.
Just popped up on his own.
And that's how you propagate snake plant. So if y'all tried this at home, let me know what y'all did. Did it work out? How long did you leave your plants in the water before you planted them? But yeah, we'll check back on the progress on this one.